Konnichiwa. Today we're making 豚の生姜焼き also known as pork ginger. And these are the ingredients for today. First, let's take care of slicing the cabbage while the cutting board is still clean. いきます。Now for the sauce. Making the sauce. Sugar is optional. It's mainly mirin and soy sauce. Saltiness and sweetness. You could do just this. These two combinations will be okay too. It's sweetness and saltiness. Sweetness and saltiness. If you do this will also be sweetness and saltiness. If it's only this, it could end up being a little bit overly sweet. And maybe with possibly a little bit less glaze. And these two combinations will be more glaze, nice and shiny, but slightly less sweet. Therefore, you could combine all these three. But whatever you have in your kitchen is okay. Grating a ginger. And then these thinly sliced pork. In Japan, we eat with chopsticks all the time, so you can always find these thinly sliced pork. You don't even have to go to a butcher, just a grocery store. They would have these always ready, always. And a little bit of pre-seasoning with salt. And some wheat flour. And this pre-seasoning of the meat and also using the wheat flour, it's not a must-do, but it keeps the meat nice and tasty and juicy. then the seasoning. You can sprinkle on some sugar, a little bit. Mirin, soy sauce, and ginger. 오이씨가 너무 먹고 Place this in together with the cabbage, same plate. Top it with a little bit of green onions. すごいか。Thank you very much. See you again. shougayaki 美味しいね。美味しいわ。